Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to disable passkeys on Luno. Now, disabling passkeys on Luno would depend on how Luno has implemented the feature. However, here's a general approach based on how passkeys typically work. So you need to log into your Luno account, navigate to your account security settings, then you look for an option related to passkeys, security keys, or biometric login. There should be an option to disable or remove the passkey. This might be a toggle switch to turn it off, a remove or delete button, a manage keys section where you can delete individual passkeys. Now you'll likely be asked to confirm that you want to disable passkey. You might need to verify your identity using another authentication method, that is your password or your two-factor authentication. Now ensure to save any changes you make, and that's it. That is how to disable passkeys on Luno. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.